Stressed with gift ideas? Let me help you finding the perfect Valentine's Day gift. A gift that hits the sweet spot between thoughtful, unique, and an absolute joy to receive. Worry no more as we unravel a list of unique and thoughtful gifts that can make this Valentine's Day unforgettable. First off, let's delve into the world of personalized gifts. A custom-made piece of jewelry, like a pendant or a bracelet with a special message inscribed, could make for a memorable gift. It's not just about the material value, but the thought and effort that goes into creating something just for your loved one. Next on the list are experience gifts. Instead of a physical object, why not gift an experience? A cooking class for a culinary enthusiast, a hot air balloon ride for an adventure seeker, maybe a pottery class for someone who loves to create. These experiences, shared or solo, can create memories that last far longer than any material gift. For those who love words, a handwritten letter never goes out of style. In an age of digital communication, a letter penned with love and care is a rarity and a treasure. Pour out your feelings, recount shared memories, or simply tell them why they mean the world to you. Another unique idea is a date jar. Fill a jar with slips of paper, each one bearing a date idea. It could be as simple as watch the sunrise together, or as elaborate as take a weekend trip to the mountains. This gift ensures a whole year of exciting dates and shared experiences. And finally, for those who value simplicity and practicality, a care package could be the perfect gift. Fill a box with their favorite things, their preferred brand of coffee, a book by their favorite author, a plush blanket for cozy nights in, or even a collection of their favorite snacks. It's a simple yet thoughtful gift that says, I know you and I care about your comfort and happiness. To recap, we've explored 5 unique and thoughtful Valentine's Day gift ideas. Personalized jewelry that captures a special message, experience gifts that create lasting memories, a heartfelt handwritten letter, a date jar filled with exciting date ideas, and a care package filled with their favorite things. Each of these gifts carries a thoughtful message and shows the recipient that they are truly valued and loved. Remember, the best gifts are not always the most expensive ones. They are the ones that carry a piece of your heart, that tell a story, and that create shared memories. So this Valentine's Day, let your gift tell a story of love, of understanding, and of shared experiences. Happy gifting.